afternoon, everybody. Christy McLean here, and we are getting ready to plant our seedlings, our lettuce, bean, and basil into our vertical shoe rack garden that's going to use soil. Kellen wants you to know he's here too. Kellen's saying hello. There he is. Say hi, Kellen. Yeah, he says hi. All right. So, are you ready to get started? Great. The first thing we're going to do is backwards from our last video is we are going to label where we're going to put everything. So we're going to start with lettuce.
What's that?
So we're going to do
What's that?
lettuce 1, lettuce 2, and lettuce 3. Bless you, Kellen.
Mom, what's that? What's that?
And I'm going to go ahead and continue to label all of the rest, and then we will do our soil. All right, so you can see that we have got all of our pockets labeled, lettuce, basil, and bean. Next, so we are going to use a little gardening shovel to get soil, and we're going to fill these pockets up pretty high because we need our plants to be able to reach out and get the sunlight.
Nope.
All right, we got all of our soil into each of our pockets. We have 9 pockets full of soil, and so now we're going to take each of our plants. So we have our lettuce, seedlings, our bean plants. These are pretty impressive. I've enjoyed watching them grow. And our basil, and we're going to go ahead and place these into the pockets. All right, so let's take a look and see what our seedlings look like in each of their pockets. So here is our lettuce. They look pretty nice. Now they need some water. Let's give them some water. All right, that is it. We put each of our seedlings into each of their pockets. They have soil, they have space, they're going to be able to get plenty of sunlight, and they have water. It's been super hot, so we've got to make sure we give them plenty of water. And with our water, we make sure that we leave it out so that it's not as hard and it dechlorinates so that it's nice and happy water for them. All right, check back in soon. I've ordered ladybugs to get rid of any aphids that are on our garden tower garden, sorry, and our vertical garden. All right, so check back in, and if you want to watch any of my backyard science videos, we've got a nice little horizontal garden going as well. All right, bye everybody.